We're changing the impeller, the water pump impeller on this. Honestly, it's not that bad. And you can see the old impeller versus the new impeller. All right, so we got that one little bolt down in there. It's that special bolt like that. That is a pain to get to. 5/8, 5/8, one right there, one right there, one right there, two right there. Never touch this screw, ever. Holds some shift stuff in place, and if you go to take it out thinking it's that one or that one, you got problems because you got to take apart the whole lower unit. Honestly, it's not that bad. So basically it's just stuck like that. There's no broken fins, no nothing. I would say, wow, that was a waste of time. But honestly, this is good because that means, you know, we're replacing it before it's bad. The wear plate is nice and smooth. I need to clean up all of this gasket materials. The O-ring is good. The cup, it looks pretty good. And you can see the old impeller versus the new impeller. You can see the difference. So there's an O-ring in here. On this one at least, you see that O-ring right there. It can be missing on some of them. So you see it's open and closed in there. So the flat side goes on the drive shaft it goes like this. All right, so here's the shift shaft. It's a giant screw. Do not unscrew it. Don't move it. Don't screw it in or screw it out. You might be tempted to try to take it off. Don't. It's set to a certain height. If you mess with the length of this by screwing it in or out, your motor will not shift right, and you'll have to take it back apart and measure from like the surface here to the center of the eye of the shift shaft. If you messed up and messed with the shift shaft length, here is the lengths that it needs to be to the center of the eye from the top of the gear case for 1986 V4 to V6 Evinrude Johnson. Later.